Trading is a game of patience. If I go for early and quick money, that will make me zero.
What inspired you to step into trading education after your own trading journey?
Interesting question. This all started in 2016 when I was in my college. So everyone looks for extra income when they are in college. Same I did in my college time. So I explored multiple streams like online gamings, e-commerce, MLM, and trading and all. Out of all, trading touched my heart. Someone told me that there is known as something Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in 2017. I explored more about that. What is this? How we can make money? Where to buy? Where to sell? How to make profits? How does it actually work? And then I more deep dive into this. I come to know this is something like share market. But how does it differ from share market? I learned all these things in this 2017 and 2018. There was a bull run, and at that time I still remember Bitcoin make their all-time high nearly $19,000, and I made certain money in that. But after that bull run, I come to know that there is known as bear market as well. After a Bitcoin goes up, there is a bear market after bull market. So all these coins were crashing like 50%, 30%, 20%. And I also lost some money as well in that bear market. Certainly, eventually, I had certain profits in my pocket. Now, what to do next? Crypto is not more profitable as of now in 2019. So I explored more. Then I come to know that there is similar market like Forex market, something same like crypto. I explored more about Forex at that time, like what is Forex? Forex stands for an exchange, how many currencies are there, how to trade, how to make profits, how is it again differ from stocks and crypto and all these things. I got scams as well in 2019 when I start Forex because everybody wants quick rich scheme. So there are a lot of people on Instagram and Telegram that you can get your money double in 24 hours. Give us $100 and we can give you like $1,000 within 24 hours after trading. And in like other ways, I got scammed and all of these things. But then I said that no, Akash, you have to show patience. Trading is a game of patience. If I go for early and quick money, that will make me zero. I have to go step by step, and I learned these things, how Forex works, what is Forex, how many strategies are there, what I need to learn to make the money in Forex. Then I started Forex at that time. But later on, after 2021, COVID was there. In COVID, everybody is doing like Forex, crypto, and all these things. Lot of newcomers are there at that time. By 2021, people started crypto Forex trading for the second stream of income in 2021. And then I thought that I have this knowledge from 2016 and 17. And these people just started in this industry and just few months back. And they start making content and sharing their knowledge. Then I came with this idea that I should also share my knowledge of 4 or 5 years, whatever I have. Then I started my channel of Step Routers. I start sharing my knowledge, whatever I know about Forex and crypto, starting from 2022 or late in 2021.
Why do you specialize in Forex, especially in gold?
I started my trading journey from crypto, not from Forex. And crypto is known for quick and big profits. We can make 20%, 50%, or even 100% profits in just few weeks. So I want quick and big money. I'm not here for a small thing or settle down as an average guy. And all the Forex players just move 1% or half percent or even less than that in a day or in a week. But gold is an asset which will always increase with time, and gold is the most rewarding asset. Not for me, I guess for most of the traders. And they can also relate this thing that gold is an asset in which we can make early money if we know how to trade gold. If we know a strategy for, let's say, Euro USD and compare it with gold, same strategy, and same strategy, same amount of investment will give us more return in gold if we trade in Euro USD. If we compare, if we invest same amount of money in Euro USD and gold, obviously gold will give us more returns if we trade in the right way. That's the reason I always trade more in gold and 𝗀𝗃USD.
You are known as an SMC trading expert. What exactly is smart money concept?
The real meaning of smart money concepts is smart money. Where are smart people investing their money? Where are they placing their order in terms of lots? Smart money are in terms of contracts. What is contracts now? Contracts consist of lots. Let's say you and me and other retailers like us trade one lot, two lot, five lot, 10 lots, or 100 lots. But smart money are people, they invest the big amount and they don't trade in lots. They trade in contracts, and in one contract there are hundreds of lots. So if they place just two contracts, in two contracts they placed more than 200 lots. As time passes, this smart money concepts also become familiar to each and everyone. Smart money is strategy used by smart people, or we can say hedge funds or market makers mainly, whosoever make the markets in this world.
Why do you believe most retail strategies fail in live market?
So every strategy have their certain percentage of winning. Let's say if anyone claim that my strategy works more than 70 or 80%, 90%, most of the retail traders when they enter in the market, they are looking for 90% accuracy strategy. But the bitter truth is there is no strategy and the whole world works more than 70% or 80% every time. It can work for a week, for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months, but there is no strategy who can give us more than 70% accuracy within a whole quarter or year. So every retail strategy or the retailers fail because they focus more on accuracy, not on profit. If they trade with 1:2 to reward and 50% accuracy, still they will be in profit. Let me tell you how. Let's suppose if they trade with accuracy of 50%. That means if they put 10 trades, out of 10, 5 will be the winning and 5 will be the losing. And if they use 1:2 reward, means if they lose $100, they will win $200. Winning amount is double than the losing amount. So in 5 trades, they lost $500. But in 5 trades, they win $1,000. So out of them, they are in net profit of $500 with just 50% accuracy. But people are looking for 70-80% accuracy. They don't believe that 50% accuracy is also good. So that's the reason every other retail strategy are money lossy, because they don't focus on that strategy. They just look the accuracy. So either if you use smart money concepts, if you use support resistance, if you use indicators or any other strategy, if that strategy is giving you 60%, that is good. You can live lifelong on that strategy. You don't have to do anything else.
What mindset shift is most important for new traders?
When I came into Forex after crypto, I want quick rich scheme and easy money. And I got scammed that in 24 hours, I can make my money double. I can make my 10 times of my amount. So if you are looking for easy early money, if you are looking for easy profits or 24 hours profit, that is not going to work in this market. Trading asks patience. Trading demands patience. Trading takes time. If you have enough patience, if you have enough time to wait for your trading setup, if you have enough time to convert your $100 into $500 or $1,000, then you will make money here. If you are in rush to convert $100 into 200 or 500 or $1,000 within a week or within a day, you are going to be on zero. So that's a single thing I would like to ask and recommend you for the people in 2026 who are going to start and who just started the trading. You have to show the patience, discipline, and consistency. Whichever strategy you're using, just go ahead and use that for long term. If you are getting lost in that strategy, don't worry, that will also make you profit. But if you think that the strategy will not work, you have to switch your strategy. That will not work, because ultimately every strategy have some losing streaks, and you have to show discipline and consistency at that time. Patience, of course. If you are in profit or if you are in loss, you have to show patience. One day you will be in profitable.
How do forex and crypto markets differ in terms of risk and opportunity?
Forex is completely regulated market by IMF, International Monetary Funds, who measure all these markets. But there is no centralized regulation for all over the world in crypto as of now. Let's suppose if we talk about gold to dollar, gold can move up to $100, and even we have witnessed in last few months, gold have moved to $100 within a day. But let's say Euro USD cannot move more than 2%, 5%, 10% within a day, because ultimately that will disrupt their import export businesses. That will disrupt the whole economics. Let's suppose if I have to pay $1 million in euro market for any trade, for any business, then after 1 day or 1 hour, I have to pay $1.1 million just for one trade. And if we see this in the whole picture of the country basis, that will impact all over the economy of that country, all over the GDP, all over the financial crisis. So that's the reason Forex market is a centralized market that cannot move beyond that limit within a day or within a time. But in crypto, there is no limit. If you have right source of information and if you are at the right time, you can double your money within few hours. And I can share a lot of examples for that. In starting of 2025, I make money in Trump coin. You must be aware, people can witness. In January 17, there is a coin named with the Trump came when Trump win the elections in US. And whosoever did the early entry in that Trump, people make money. But whosoever are in late, whosoever are the exit, the latecomers in this Trump coin buyers are the losers who lost this money in the same Trump coin. In the same Trump coin, there are people who make the money and there are people who lost the money. Why? Just because of source of information. I have the information, I have contacts, I know what to buy, what to sell, at what time. I make money. In crypto, we just need right time and source of information. We can make money. But in Forex, there is nothing like that. Forex is centralized market. Crypto is not centralized market. Crypto is not regulated. Forex is completely regulated. Crypto is very uncertain. We can see Bitcoin from 125K to even 85K. But in Forex, this can never be happen, because if this happen, country will destroy within a day.
What values do traders get by joining step traders?
I spent time, I did backtested, I did all the hard work to find a best strategy of based on price action, and I am sharing it in free to all of the community whosoever comes at this Stepbrothers platform on my YouTube channel. In the same way, for 2026, I made simplified strategy and I did all the hard work of backtesting, finding the strategy, how is it working, if it is good or not, and I am sharing that completely free with all of my community on my YouTube and on my social media. So I don't charge for anything. Come, learn, and grow together. Come, learn, and make money together. We share all the things absolutely free at Stepbrother. If you are here at Stepbrothers, you can learn a lot of things in Forex, crypto, and all the markets. If you want all of these updates, quick updates, daily basis updates, then join my Telegram. If you want long strategies, then join the YouTube. If you want the summary of previous days, the summary of market, then join Instagram. All these different platforms are categorized for different things. It's up to you. Whatever you want, you can join accordingly.
Any final message for aspiring traders watching this interview?
Forex market is good, and even in Forex, if you want quick money or the best asset, if you want to put the single asset, gold XAUSD is good for making money and profit, but you have to show patience, consistency, and discipline. If you have these three things, you can make money, because these three things combines everything: strategy, risk management, and psychology. Risk management and psychology comes with a discipline and consistency. If you have discipline, your risk management ability is good. If you have patience, your psychology is good. Your psychology and risk management will automatically, by default, they will be best if you are good in managing these three things. If you can manage, you are the king of this market, no matter if you trade just gold or Forex or whatever you want. But for bigger money, gold is the best instrument. Trading is the only profession where we have to pick the easiest money from the most difficult table. Just a single line, but that will be the biggest value in this. Trading gives us a lot of money, but that money is not easy. We have to pay hundreds of hours of hard work on that to learn that skill. But once we get that skill, we are set for the life. We can trade from anywhere. Trading gives you freedom. If you are serious, trading is the best profession. There's no other profession like trading in the whole world.